Well, actually, in Asia, it's interesting. One of the lenses we tried to look at was which markets are likely to be most sensitive to positive vaccine news. And it's really markets actually like India, which had been arguably the most beaten down, that start looking most interesting because China and indeed parts of North Asia, clearly have had more success, a bit more stability, sort of going through the last few quarters. But as an investor, the lens you take, what we think matters is, what's the outcome relative to what's priced in, not the absolute outcome. And that's where we're looking around Asia, saying, which might be the markets that might have been most beaten down. And absolutely, Singapore and some of the Southeast Asian markets would be candidates there. But actually, by that lens, just from a sensitivity perspective, Indian markets do look like an interesting candidate. So something we'll be looking at as we sort of start forming our views for 2021.
Okay, so what would you be buying in India then, Manpreet?
Well, for us, it's just about the regional perspective at this point in time. So we're not quite getting into sort of the sector-specific areas just yet. For us, a large part of 2020 has been about preferring Chinese equities to the rest of the region. And of course, within China, looking at sectors like tech, that's been sort of a call that's worked out. And what we're really looking at is, can we do a rotation? And we think that country-level rotation by itself is one lens to look. We, of course, do think with the vaccine outlook, most equity markets, including China, should do well. For us, it's about two big drivers. I think one is, do we see stronger performance in markets like Korea and India? I think that's sort of the first area we're looking at. And second is, I think, not just India, but I suppose at a regional level, Asian equities as a whole, do we still sort of look at the technology sector, or are we like to see a catch up from some of the value sectors? I think that last one's a little bit harder if you don't expect US bond yields to rebound, or government bond yields globally to rebound in a big way. But that could still be a source of some short-term trades.